Hello guys, so this is a short video on how you will write your sampling design for this week. Sampling design is after your study design, okay? So guys, isa lang yung output na hinihingi ko per week, no? Make sure that you will watch the video and see what are my requirements, no? Because my requirements are non-negotiable. If you won't write what I require during the week, no? Magko-comment ako, na sasabihin ko, ilagay nyo, no? So, we're both wasting our time if you won't complete what I'm requiring. So, yun, leaders ha, pakinote. So, some groups, good na nakahanap na ng data gathering procedure and so on, no? Pero isa lang nire-require ko during the week and I want yung isang pinapa-require ko, I want you to do it flawlessly. Okay? So, good job sa mga wala akong comments. I gave them 20/20. However, yung iba, nako, ang raming pinas, pero kulang, ha? So, kindly look into that, right? So, your sample design is so important, no? Because your target population is, especially if you study population or your sample of the study, pag sinabi kong sample of the study, pwedeng non-living thing, like in experimental, example, Lyme, um, bacteria, non-living thing, no? So, extract, no, sample of the study. Pero pag tao, no, population of the study or study population. So, if choosing your target population and the the sample under your population is very important, no? So for this video, I will just enumerate ano yung mga ire-require ko, no? So think about who will you give your interview questions, your survey question, kanino ibibigay, no? So dapat, nakalagay dito, it should bakit may sampling design for feasibility purpose and practicality, no? So it's so hard to provide a questionnaires for all the School of Natural Sciences students, no? So hard. We're about 5,000 students. So you have to make a smaller sample for the data to be more manageable, no? So, some of you guys were just telling na, ma'am, first year lang, ma'am, second year lang, no? Or all from first year to fourth year. Ensure that there is representativeness, no? So that um, dapat clear, no? Kung sino ba well justified kung bakit nyo sila pinili, ganyan. At ba't hindi nyo sa ila i-include, may sense ba? Based on other literature, they included the first to fourth year. Why won't you include them all? No? So, dapat you need to justify not because you like just medtech students and it's so convenient, but there should be a rationale behind why you chose them. Okay? Dapat may purpose kung bakit sila. Okay? Not just because it's convenient to do. Okay, and statistical validity. Okay, so proper sampling techniques would minimize selection bias. So example, for you say that you would do random sampling, no? Would you really randomize your sample? Kasi mataas ang demand ng random sampling, that you should assign a number for all the every population of the study should have an equal chance of being picked in the study, no? Pero sa totoo lang, sinabi mo sa study nyo, random sampling, stratified random sampling, magsasampling ba talaga kayo, no? O baka may gusto lang, dahil gusto nyo lang na sabihin, pero hindi nyo naman pala gagawin. At the end of the day, convenient sampling rin pala ang mangyayari. O, 'di ba? Aminin niyo na lang na convenient sampling kung di rin naman niyo pala i-randomize, no? So that's my take on that, no? Do not use stratified random sampling. Simple random sample. If you won't you're in the future you will not sample anyway, no, just write convenient sampling, purposive sampling, no. But what I like is cluster sampling, actually cluster sampling, especially those who has studied for surveys, no, that if you are going to go to a university, no, so may mga sections yung mga yan. So cluster sampling means kunyari from LBA to LBJ, no, you will pick in your fishbowl ng section, no. Example, you got LBD and LBE. So lahat ng nandun sa LBD at LBE kasama sa sampling, no? I like cluster sampling because it's more doable compared to saying it's stratified random sampling wherein hindi ka naman talaga magra-randomize, no? Kung sino lang yung pinaka-available na section, yun lang rin pala pupuntahan mo, and that's convenient sampling. Okay? So, how do you write your population of the study, no? So, ano ang mga non-negotiable na hinahanap ko sa study population? Okay? So, yan, please tanggalin niyo yung mga chapter, um, bullet form. So, ganyan po magsulat ng format, no? So, it should be in a paragraph format. So, describe the people you will uh, you will uh, will be part of your respondents or your study population, no? So, saan ba sila nahanap? No, minsan kasi yon nakakalimutan na in the university, pero ang rami kasing university, no? So, specify the University of Baguio students who are enrolled in the first semester, yan, school year, yan, and fourth year students lang daw. No? So, yun. So, yung first part ng study population are your inclusion area. Include their age, no? So, ayun, describe them and justify, no? Give the reason why you chose them. And add exclusion area criteria. What is exclusion criteria? Sino mga hindi kasama sa study? Like mga minors, no? Since fourth year internship one sila, so first year internship two externs are not part of the study, no? So may inclusion criteria, exclusion, and identify the sampling technique, no? So sabi nila they will conduct random sampling, no? Um, ayun, sana totoo talaga na mag-random sampling sila, no? If not, no, yun na, stratified random sampling or cluster sampling. Okay? So identify your inclusion, exclusion, and sampling technique. So, paano rin pag experimental? The same thing, may inclusion criteria. Or describe the plant. Nephrolepis cordifolia, no? So, yun, describe nila kung saan makikita, no? Saan common. They wrote, pwede ng sample of the study, pero kasi they also have volunteer respondents kung sinong kukuhanan nila ng dugo, dinescribe rin nila, no? And add your exclusion criteria. Okay. And also, nilagay nila dito, specify the recruitment process or sampling technique. So I'll leave it to you guys to read their studies on how they wrote it, no? Pero basically, tatlo lang ang nire-require ko, no? Describe the study population, saan sila nahanap, no? Um, who will be included in your study, babae lang ba, lalaki, age group, sino kasama, who are excluded, usually minors, unless you want to provide a parent consent, no? Ayun. and the type of sampling, no? So, ma'am, sa nahanap yung sampling technique, pakipanood yung video na una kong sinubmit. However, ayun lang naman, mga pare-pareho rin naman, probability sampling, non-probability sampling, convenience, ganyan, quota sampling, snowball sampling. So, ayan lang. So, I'll see you again. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. See you.